Hi everyone, Ken from the Thousand Mile Project here. Today I'm going to be talking more about how to type Chinese in Windows 11 on a desktop PC. In order to type it in, you're going to want to know how a particular character is romanized. For example, this character, which means thousand, is romanized as Q-I-A-N. This particular romanization method is called Hanyu Pinyin, and it's the standard romanization method used in the People's Republic of China. And that's why I had you install the language pack from that particular country and for that particular system, because that's the method that I prefer to use for typing in classical Chinese, since my primary classical Chinese dictionary is alphabetized using Pinyin Romanization. So it makes it easy for me to look up a particular character. If you go to the Chinese text project, you can search the text for particular search terms. So, for example, if I wanted to look in the art of war for a particular character or phrase, I would scroll down here to School of the Military and the Art of War. And let's say that I want to look for Tian, which is the character for heaven. As you can see, it's the first recommendation that comes up. If you want to have that character entered in, you can either click on it using your mouse, or you can press the 1 key on your keyboard, and that also makes it go in. And let's say that I'm looking for something much more obscure, then I would want to go over here to these arrows. These let you navigate through different rows of characters to choose which one you want. So, for example, if I wanted something really obscure, I might have to keep clicking through it and then finally find it. But in any case, I am looking for the most common one, which is this. So let's do search. And as you can see, it comes up with 13 different passages that contain the heaven or sky character. So that's very useful when you're looking for example sentences that contain a particular character or set phrase that you're studying. It's one of the main methods that I use for finding example sentences for my classical Chinese characters videos, for example. In any case, if you're enjoying the video, then please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Take care.